This is the mdLiDAR1000 from Microdrones, a fully integrated system for producing 3D point clouds in just a matter of minutes. It has an easy end-to-end workflow taking you from capture to point cloud, step by step. It's so simple that you'll be doing this alone only after a few flights. So why LiDAR over photogrammetry? Time. With LiDAR, you're skipping steps 1 and 2 of the photogrammetry process. The camera captures the point clouds directly, and you use the mdLiDAR software to produce the 3D point cloud for processing. So you're not only saving time, but you will capture what you can't. The mdLiDAR1000 provides up to 3 returns, meaning you can finally capture the bare earth beneath the treetops. Using the same GNSS and IMU modules as the DG system, the LiDAR can achieve its accuracies of 6 centimeters when flown at 40 meters and at 3 meters per second. You can easily switch out between payloads by pulling this latch, twisting the mount, removing the cables, then repeat. Change the payload within the MD cockpit and plan your mission accordingly. So with this one aircraft, you're equipped to tackle almost any job. LiDAR, photogrammetry, it's your choice. So if you're collecting data for corridor mapping, contour mapping, highway constructions, forestry, archaeology, mining and many more, you should definitely consider the mdLiDAR1000 for your next project. So if you'd like to book in a demonstration or take a look at a sample data set, give us a call or visit us at spheredrones.com.au. Sphere Drones, your drone partner.